My dear students, welcome back again in our mathematics class. So we are continuing with the chapters rupees and paise today also. So today our topic is word problem on rupees and paise. Dear students, let us start with the first example, that is how many 25 paise coins make 5 rupees. I know that you have learned it in previous videos. But here I have shown you in another way of doing this sum. What is the process? The process is here we need to find out how many 25 paise are there in 5 rupees. So first of all we need to convert rupees into paise. Here I have done, see, we know that 1 rupee equals to 100 paise. So 5 rupees equals to 5 into 100 paise equals to 500 paise. Then we have to divide it by 25 paise. So after I have got 20. So you can show the division also here in the side. This way we can solve this type of sum also. This is our second example. It is also same. How many 50 paise coins make 12 rupees? So first of all, what we need to do, we need to convert it in paise. We need to convert rupees into paise. So 12 rupees equals to 1200 paise. Then we need to find the coins. So how to find the coins? We have to divide it by 50. So after division, I have got 24. So 24 coins make 12 rupees. So this is the way you can do it, and which process you like most, you can do that. Look at the third example. Ram and Sham have 360 rupees 45 paise and 638 rupees 95 paise respectively. This respectively denotes that Ram has 360 rupees 45 paise, the first one, and Sham has 638 rupees 95 paise, the second one. So Louis has an amount equal to the sum of the amount of Ram and Sham. So Louis has how much amount Louis has? That is the sum of the amount of Ram and Sham. So what is the amount of Louis has? Amount Louis has. So here what we need to do is we have to add, because we get the clue, that is here we need to add the amount of Ram as well as the amount of Sham. So after adding we have got 990 rupees 40 paise. This is the amount of Louis. Let us discuss our fourth example. In our fourth example, Anand bought a TV set. He gave 9,000 rupees to the shopkeeper and got 925 rupees back. See here in this question, what is the cost of the TV set? We need to find out. How to get the TV set price? See, the keyword here it is that he got back some money from the shopkeeper. That means he gave first, then he got back some money. So that means we need to subtract here. So amount of money gave to the shopkeeper is rupees 9,000. Amount of money get from the shopkeeper is rupees 9,925. So now we have to subtract. After subtraction we will get the cost of the TV set. So what is the cost of the TV set we are getting? That is 8,075 rupees. So therefore the cost of the TV set is 8,075 rupees. So in this question is very easy. You can solve it, and whenever you read the question, read it carefully. There is some hidden clue is given in the question. So you need to read it carefully so that you can get the clues. Discuss our fifth number example. In our fifth number example, 3 pairs of slippers cost rupees 366. What is the cost of 1 pair of slippers? See, here it is given that 3 pairs of slippers cost, and we have to find out 1 pair of slippers cost. 1 pair means 2 shoes. So you need to do the operation division here, because here 3 pairs of slippers cost given. We need to find out the 1 pair of slippers cost. So number of slippers equals to 3 pairs. Cost of the 3 pair slipper is rupees 366, and cost of 1 pair of slippers is rupees 366 divided by 3. So I have shown here the division. You also show the division process here in this answer, and therefore the cost of one pair of slippers is rupees 122. This is the answer. Now this is our sixth example. A packet of biscuit cost rupees 15.50, that means 15 rupees 50 paise. What is the cost of 6 packets? So here one packet cost is given, but we have to find out 6 packet. More packets cost we have to find out. So what we need to do? We need to multiply here. So cost of one packet is 15 rupees 50 paise. Number of packets is 6. So total cost we have to multiply. After multiplication, I have got rupees 93. Cost of the 6 packet biscuit is 93. Now let us discuss our seventh example. Geeta went for shopping. She bought things of rupees 58, means 58 rupees and 37 rupees and 22 rupees. Geeta had a 100 rupee note. How much money should she borrow from her friends to pay the bill? So first of all, we need to count the total cost of the things she bought. Then we need to subtract, because she need to borrow something. That means she had less money than he spent on the shopping. So total money with Geeta is rupees 100. And money spent by Geeta is rupees 58 plus rupees 37 and rupees 22. Then we have to add it. After adding, we are getting rupees 117. So now we have to subtract. Geeta need to borrow rupees 117 minus rupees 110 equals to rupees 17. This is our last example. Momo went to purchase books and gave following money to the cashier: 4 coins of rupees 2, 2 notes of rupees 20 and 3 notes of rupees 100. If the price of the books were rupees 326, how much change will she get back? So first of all, we need to count how much money money she had. So money with Momo is rupees 4 into 2, 2 into 4, 20 and 3 into 100. So that means rupees 348, and Momo will get back rupees 348 minus 326. So what we will get then? We will get rupees 22. This is the money she will get back after purchasing the books. So this way we can solve this type of sum. So first of all, we need to read the question properly. This is your homework, worksheet number 53. It is already uploaded in the school website. So you can check it from the school website and you can solve it. 10 questions are there. So you have to solve here all the questions with the statement and the final answer. And must write the units of this is the last part of the worksheet number 53. 6 to 10 questions are, and means 10 up to 10 questions are there. So thanks for watching the video.